Skippy, happy birthday to you. You silly, you've like had 15 treats while I'm trying to get a picture of you with your birthday cap. And what are you doing now? Looking for more treats up on the bed. Maybe you're going to eat your birthday hat. It's SpongeBob. I don't know how good he's going to taste. Skip. Hey, little buddy. Oh, you're pretty smart. You got it off. Hey, Skip, I think it's been 6 years ago today that Fred listened to an SC game on the radio and we went to adopt you in North San Bernardino. Anyway, you're a great little dog and we love you. Hard to believe that you're 8 or 9 or whatever. Hey, got any birthday wishes? Yeah, I know. A T-bone steak's gonna fall out of the sky on you. Mama loves you. Happy birthday, Skippy man. Sadie and Sunny say happy birthday too. Alright, well, I see you're being yard art. And I don't even have your pumpkin costume on you, but next Halloween, get ready. Alright, birthday boy. Come on, we'll go in the kitchen. I'll give you one more treat. Look at a little wiggy waggy tail with the treat word. Cookies! A cookie, Skip? A cookie? Oh, yeah.